As a product manager working with an email builder, I highly recommend you to use our brand new email templates, prepared just for the Black Friday Cyber Monday period. We have 6 of them in our template library, and each look good on any device. Just add your products and you're good to go.
No matter what you do, try to provide the best customer experience possible, especially during such a significant shopping period as Black Friday. You can start by including your customer support contact details in all your messages. Maybe you offer support over the phone. Promote it in your emails, as this will create additional value and trust for your customers during this period. Also, give a heads up about shipping and delivery information as well as your return policies, especially if you are expecting any delays or perhaps you do not accept returns. Just don't leave your customers in the unknown at this time. Communicate. This way, you'll manage their expectations better, and in the end, likely will have happier customers who will become returning, loyal clients.
My Black Friday tip for you would be to closely link your promotions to your store's phase. If you're a new store and you want a foothold in the market, then the most straightforward thing is probably to offer an attractive 25% to 50% off on your products. But if you're already established, you might not want to devalue your brand so much. Think instead about increasing your average order value. Instead of giving 25% off on a specific product, try to bundle products that logically fit together and give a 20% off on that bundle alone. Or you can raise the bar with free shipping only after a customer spends $50 or a threshold that works for your store.
Nothing is more fun than hype and excitement while shopping. So build anticipation, something to wait for your potential customers starting today. Start by segmenting the most important audiences. Maybe it's VIPs, highly engaged ones, brand fans, true champions who love your brand and will be excited about upcoming promotions. Create a promising pop-up forums for those who are hunting for the best deals on the internet. Put your brand first and communication before every other brand in your market.
My advice for this Black Friday would be to start early and not just to stick to one marketing channel only. Top up your game with SMS, incorporate it into your BFCM strategy. As an example, you can send an email campaign to all your email subscribers very well in advance and ask your subscribers to sign up for a VIP club, where only the SMS subscribers get access to pre-sale or get to know about the deals first.